How about a little bit more animal spirit medicine? Today, the otter. Unobstructed joy, playfulness, contentment. Perhaps the most joyful creature within the animal spirit deck. The otter represents absolute bliss. Otter energy is the playfulness of a child, available to us at any age. They have a giddiness and reverence for life itself without the presence of doubt, worry, or skepticism. Imagine yourself with a little more otter energy. What would life look like? What would it take to bring you there? The otter wisdom begs these questions and wants to transport us to that precious place as soon as possible. The celebration awaits. You might need to get into the solitude. That's how I find mine. Um, when in balance, full of love, needs nothing. To bring your inner otter wisdom on. I like frozen blueberries at night. Dance party or celebration while eating frozen blueberries. It stains your lip though, so don't chew on your lip. Have a good day.